In today's video, we will go through 7 different ways YouTube will allow creators to monetize through their platform. One major feature will be available in early 2023. We are strictly talking about YouTube monetization and how the platform will allow you to make money, not external factors such as affiliate links. Let's dive into the 7 ways YouTube will allow creators to monetize in 2023. Number 1, the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, for long-form content. Now, this is one of the oldest running YouTube monetization programs on the platform today. This allows revenue sharing from ads being served on your content. This is the partner program that needs your channel to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 long-form watch hours. Notice how I said long-form content, not shorts watch time. Once you hit those minimum marks, you can apply and be entered into their program. You will then earn 55% of all ad revenue that runs on your channel monthly. Number 2, the YouTube Partner Program for Shorts. YouTube announced in September 2022 that Shorts creators will be able to start monetizing their Shorts videos. According to YouTube themselves, they state that Shorts-focused creators can apply to YPP by meeting a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million Shorts views over the last 90 days. So how does this work? Well, ads will run between Shorts videos in the feed. And every month, YouTube will add up the revenue from those ads and reward creators by splitting 45% of the revenue with creators. The revenue share remains the same, whether or not you use music in your Shorts. Now, this is a lower amount than the 55% you get for long-form content monetization. Just keep that in mind. This monetization program will begin in early 2023. Number 3, channel memberships. Another monetization feature YouTube has is called channel memberships. To allow this feature, you have to be in the YouTube Partner Program. This feature allows you to create multiple membership levels, each with their own unique perks. For perks, you can offer items like exclusive videos and live streams, member-only posts, chats, polls, and shoutouts. Additionally, members get special badges next to their name in comments and live chat that can be changed based on how long they have been a loyal member for. You can customize the badges or choose default ones. Lastly, you can also include custom emojis for your members. So you might be enjoying this video if you are still here, so why not subscribe right now? Stay notified of our newest content when it drops and get the latest tips for building your successful YouTube channel. Number 4, Super Chat, Super Thanks, and Super Stickers. With Super Chat and Super Stickers features, your viewers can purchase these elements to be able to stand out in a live stream or premiere. You must have live chat enabled on your channel. When viewers purchase these Super Chats or Super Stickers, their comments get highlighted and pinned at the top of your live stream chat so that everyone can see it. Very useful for live chatting if you have an existing channel. With Super Thanks, this allows viewers to purchase a Super Thanks on any one of your uploaded videos, which does not have to be a live stream. Number 5 is merchandise. You can add products from your own store inside your channel by connecting your store's website. Now, this is a great added feature for established YouTube channels in specific niches where selling any products, both digital and physical, would come in handy. To add this monetization feature to your channel, you need to have 1,000 subs, have a channel that isn't listed as a kids channel, and be in a country where monetization is available, among the standard policy requirements. Number 6 is ticketing. Are you a music artist with a big following? Your fans can get information on venues and with a single click go straight to the websites of YouTube's ticketing partners to buy tickets. Very convenient and easy to implement. And then number 7 is Brand Connect. So YouTube makes it simple for creators and brands to produce branded content that's authentic and successful with YouTube Brand Connect. Seamlessly connects brands, creators, and fans by bringing data, measurement, and industry experience to the influencer marketing landscape. So that's all we have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know your thoughts below and hope to see you around here soon.